In this video, we're going to break down the ultimate self-improvement habits tier list for you. I'm gonna rank these from S tier, which are the absolute game changers, all the way down to F tier, which are complete garbage that you should absolutely avoid. I've tested all the things I'm gonna be sharing with you in this video, all the craziest self-improvement habits you can think of. So let's start with S tier. Now these are the non-negotiables that will change your life. These are the habits that actually move the needle on your life and your income, and these personally changed my life. The first one is getting a mentor or a coach. It can be through books, through courses, through one-on-one coaching, and it doesn't have to be me necessarily. But the point is, if you really want to move forward and get results quicker, get a mentor. I don't care who it is. You're buying speed. That is what getting a mentor does. They compress your timeline from 2 to 5 years of trial, error, sacrifice, struggle to maybe 2 to 6 months of following a proven process, gaining clarity, and having somebody who can actually give you feedback on exactly what you're doing. Usually I've noticed two types of people. Both want coaching, both want a mentor. One type of person is not willing to pay for it. They just think that they should get it for free for some fucking reason. And the other person actually values paying for it and does. And these are the kind of people who get results. I'm gonna be fully transparent with you. I've sold coaching, service, and course offers all the way from, $97 all the way to $18,000. And that's a recurring thing per year. And I think the lowest amount I ever made was $50. And you know what? That person gave up after just a few days. It's always the people who pay the least who are not committed. That's just how it works. Now, I've personally invested more money than I can count in mentorship and coaching, and every single time it was worth it because I skipped all the mistakes I would have made on my own. A mentor gives you the what and the how. They tell you exactly what to do and exactly how to do it. And they do their best to hold you accountable so you actually do it instead of making excuses. So this is an S tier because it's the fastest way to level up in any area of your life. For the funny anecdote, in my first years of business, I tried to develop a consulting business on the side while I was still providing services, and I kept hitting my head against this wall, barely making a few grands in a whole year. Then I got a mentor who knew what they were doing, and over the course of a few months, my income increased by more than 24,000%. So I was making more in a month than I previously did in 12 months. Sometimes it can be one small thing that trips you up, and that's enough to prevent you from making your dreams happen. So really, the cost of not investing in yourself is insane. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. The second habit in S tier is doing high-value income-generating work daily. This means outreach if you're trying to get clients. This means taking sales calls or delivering value for the clients you have. This is the kind of work that directly puts money in your account. Not busy work, not checking emails for 2 hours, not reorganizing your to-do list for the 5th time. I'm talking about the work that's uncomfortable, that requires focus, that actually gets you results. Every single day, you should be doing at least 2 to 3 hours of this kind of work, because this is what separates the people making $10,000 a month from the people making nothing, still dreaming about it. The people making real money are doing income-generating activities every single day without fail. 80% of your time or even more should be spent on this. The third and final S tier habit is taking care of your physical health. I'm talking about working out, eating well, sleeping enough. And look, I know it sounds very basic, but most people ignore this and then they wonder why they've got no energy and why they can't focus. Your body is the vehicle that carries you through life. Like some people take better care of their car than their body. That's insane. If you're not taking care of your body, everything else suffers. Your mental clarity, your energy levels, your confidence, all of it is directly connected to your physical health. So this is non-negotiable. You need to move your body regularly. You need to eat food that actually nourishes you. And you need to sleep enough so you can perform at a high level. These 3 S tier habits are the foundation. If you're not doing these, nothing else on this list matters. Now let's move on to A tier. These are very important habits with high return on investment, but they're not quite as critical as S tier. The first habit here is building in public and posting content consistently. This builds your brand and authority over time. Every single day, you should be posting something valuable on social media. Share what you're learning, your journey, your insights, because over time, that content compounds into a massive audience. And that audience, regardless of its size, becomes your warm market. Those are the people who are gonna buy from you. Now, it's slow, I'll be honest with you. You're not going to go viral overnight. But 6 months from now, a year from now, you'll be so glad you started building your brand today. Moving on to the second A-tier habit, and that's reading books and consuming educational content strategically. And I emphasize strategically because most people just consume for the sake of consuming. They watch YouTube videos all day and call it learning. But real learning means you take what you consume and you actually apply it. So yes, read books. Yes, watch educational content. But then execute on what you learned. Don't be the kind of person who is just consuming and never doing anything with the information you learn. Knowledge isn't power, contrary to what people think or say. Knowledge is only power if you use it. The third habit in A tier, and this is gonna surprise some people, is waking up early. Now, here's the thing. Right now, my morning routine is waking up at 5:30 a.m. and taking a cold shower. But I enjoy the discipline I get out of it, and it wakes me up. That works for me. But a few years ago, I tried forcing myself to wake up at 5 a.m. and I was miserable and broke. So waking up early isn't some magic solution. It won't turn you into a millionaire just like that. However, for a lot of people, it will make them more disciplined and productive. There's just something about starting your day before everyone else that puts you in a very powerful mindset. You feel like you're ahead. You have quiet time to work without distractions. So if you can make it work for you, it's A tier. But it's not mandatory for success. The last habit I'm gonna put in A tier is journaling or reflecting on your progress. Taking time to think about what's working, what's not working, what you need to change. This keeps you self-aware. It keeps you honest with yourself. And it also helps you course correct before you waste months going in the wrong direction. Now let's talk about B tier. These are good habits, but honestly they're overrated. People act like these are essential when they're really not. The first one I'm putting here is meditation. Look, meditation is extremely beneficial. It can help you manage stress and improve focus. But people act like it's mandatory for success, and it's just not. Some of the most successful people I know have never meditated a single day in their life. So if it works for you, great. If it doesn't, don't force it. The second B tier habit is ice baths and cold showers. Now this is very trendy right now. Everybody's doing it. And I personally love it. So there are some benefits. But I'm gonna be honest, you are not going to suddenly become a millionaire because you took a cold shower. It's a nice to have, not a must have. I do it because I like how it wakes me up. I like how hard it is and how it makes me disciplined. But I'm not gonna pretend it's the reason for my success. Because it's not. Success is never the result of one thing only. Moving on to the third habit in B tier. That's having elaborate morning routines with 10 different steps. Like for example, waking up, meditate, journal, workout, cold showers, gratitude practice, visualization, read for 35 minutes, make a smoothie, blah blah blah. Most of the time, these routines are just procrastination disguised as productivity. You spend 2 hours on your morning routine and then you have no time left to actually do the work that makes you more money. So keep your routine simple. Do what actually energizes you and then get to work. It's that simple. For a long time, I was just getting up early, making myself a cup of tea, getting to work. That's it. Now C tier. These are a waste of time for most people. The first one is tracking every single thing obsessively. Now if you know me, I track a lot of things. But you don't necessarily need to track your calories every day, steps, water intake, screen time, every possible metric you can think of. Unless you're a professional athlete or you have a specific goal that requires this level of tracking, it's overkill. It's busy work that makes you feel productive without actually moving you forward. The second habit in C tier is using productivity apps and complex systems. You don't need 10 different apps and tools to help you to get shit done. Most of this is just overthinking, so keep it simple. Write down what you need to do and then do it. You don't need a complicated system. The last habit I'm putting in C tier is vision boards without actual action behind them. Like cutting out pictures of Lamborghinis and mansions and pasting them on a board. Honestly, come on, it doesn't do anything if you're not actually working towards those goals. I have a vision board, so I'm not shitting on vision boards. I'm saying they can be motivating, but only if they're backed up by real action. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now moving on to D tier. These habits are actually harmful. The first one is what some people call hustle porn, basically grinding 24/7 with no rest. This leads to burnout. There you go, I've said it. I've seen so many people destroy their health, relationships, and their mental state because they thought they had to work 100 hours a week. You need rest. You need recovery. Sustainable success is much better than burning out in 6 months. Moving on to the second habit in D tier. That is comparing yourself to others on social media constantly. This is very toxic. Everyone is showing you their highlight reel. We all do it, even myself. I'm not posting pictures of me taking a shit. You are comparing your behind the scenes to their final product. It's a recipe for feeling inadequate and never being satisfied with your own progress. The third D tier habit is trying to implement every habit at once, trying to change your entire life overnight. This guarantees failure. You can't sustain it. Pick 1 or 2 habits and master those first. And the last habit in D tier is following generic advice without adapting it to your situation. What works for someone else might not work for you. You need to experiment and find what actually fits your life and your goals. And finally, F tier. Complete garbage. The first habit here is manifesting without taking action. Just sitting there, visualizing what you want, and hoping the universe delivers it to you. That's not how anything in life works. Manifestation without action is what's known as wishful thinking. Now, don't get me wrong, everything starts in your mind. If you don't believe you can do something, you won't prove yourself right. However, you can't just think and wish for your dreams to come true every day. You've got to get up early and actively do what it takes to make them happen. And the last habit I'm putting in F tier is any habits that's just procrastination disguised as self-improvement. Spending 3 hours organizing your workspace instead of doing actual work. Reading 50 books about business instead of starting a business. Researching for months instead of taking action. If that's you, you need to realize that you are afraid. Maybe you're afraid to fail, or maybe you're even afraid to succeed. But as long as you listen to your emotions, you won't get what you want. Look, successful people aren't doing a bazillion different habits every day. More often than not, they just focus on the boring fundamentals, and this is what makes all the difference. So while you see everybody out there chasing trends, never sticking to anything long enough to see results, you're slowly getting better in the shadows, and I promise you, soon your time will come. If you want to learn how I've made thousands of dollars per day, check out the free resources in the description below, and I will see you on the other side.